What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We're going to be talking about XRP and XLM in this video, as well as the latest on that Coinbase case, because it definitely has a lot to do with some price movement and equally the price potential of XRP. So we're going to break it all down for you in this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also leave a like if you're bullish on crypto, XRP and XLM. And with that being said, let's head on over and take a quick look at what's going on with XRP. So very interestingly, we have found a new floor with XRP, and I think it's very, very good to see. We saw this massive spike up on yesterday's chart on the news coming out from the SEC case that we did class XRP as a non-security. Now, this does mean that it goes into probably a commodities. CFTC may get their hands on it. We'll see how it pans out. But we saw this massive rise up to about 96 cents with a sell-off. And then we are now finding our new floor around this kind of 7165 range, 7159. Feels like that's where we're about the new floor for XRP. XLM, very, very similar. Now, we do know that they are linked. Obviously, they've got the same founder. XLM is slightly different, however, in that we are still seeing a slight decline, down about 5.5% on the day. So we'll have to see where this finds its floor, but currently both trading very, very well. So what are we going to talk about specifically in this video? Well, we're going to break all of it down, but first I just want you to know about DeFi Degen Coffee. Now, I've partnered up with these guys to bring you a fantastic blend of coffees, as well as a fantastic price. They have a ton of different either merch or some of those coffee blends. You can see their blockchain, Brazilian blend, breakfast blend, mean blend, the Cinnabon mean blend. The coffees are fantastic. I have some. I have been drinking them. If you've been part of my live stream, you know what these are. You can also get a discount by using the code 2BitCrypto15. That's going to give you a discount there over on their website. They're based out of Las Vegas, so the shipping is super cheap. So definitely check them out. Link will be in the description for you to check out. But the DeFi Degen Coffee, worthwhile having a quick look. So what's interesting when it comes to XRP is the news, and everyone is talking about price predictions. Now, I've heard $100, $10. I do think we hit $1 very, very soon for XRP, but ChatGPT, if you want to take it as the crypto oracle that it is, believes that we could see a $5 XRP by 2028. Now, I'm going to call it and say I think that's nonsense, and I actually think we're going to see a significantly further past $5. Now, that would obviously be a new all-time high, but what it does state, though, is ChatGPT notes that for future rising global remittance and the need for real-time transactions could drive demand for XRP in years ahead. What a lot of people fail to realize with XRP is that it is actually a deflationary token. They are burning XRP, not the same rate as what we see with a lot of other coins, but it is a deflationary token. And once big institutions now feel more safe to come in, we know Coinbase has relisted it, Kraken's relisted. We also know that global banking systems have already been using XRP. Then we could see a significant decline in supply, and at the same time, therefore, driving a particularly high price. So $5 by 2028, yes, I think we'll get there. I do actually think it will be worth so much more. But when we talk about Stellar Lumens XLM, it's very interesting to remember now they are sharing the same co-founder, and ultimately the Stellar Lumens is for your average day investor, XRP is for institutions. That is fundamentally how they were both brought. But says while the dust settles on XRP, the SEC saga, many of us are eyeing up the next potential star of the crypto stage, and I'm turning to telescope towards Stellar Lumens, so XLM. Very interesting project. I've covered this a couple of times on the channel, but ultimately, what does it all talk about? Well, XRP token is managed by Ripple Labs, a for-profit company under CEO Brad Garlinghouse with profit-making ambitions. The company is a CEO and a board of directors, whereas Stellar Blockchain Network is the Lumen token, fully decentralized and owned and managed by a public community like Ethereum and Bitcoin. And that is the difference when you get to XLM. So we could definitely see a very big price movement in this. Do people believe we could get to $1? Well, the reality is, yes. It's doing a quick maths, a $1 Stellar token represents a stratospheric leap of approximately 570%. Sounds daunting, but remember, the crypto market earned its reputation for volatility the hard way. You won't see a token rally 46% in a single day very often, perhaps never again, but a more reasonable growth trend should eventually get there. I actually do think we could see this in the not too distant future. Yes, it's going to take a couple of years to get there, but remember, if we get sentiment going in the right direction, people start to understand what comes with Stellar Lumen linked into that XRP. So whenever we get positive sentiment with XRP, we will definitely get the same sentiment in Stellar Lumens. And more, we are starting to now see the SEC grasp at straws. Whatever they can get their grubby hands on is what they're trying to do. So the US judge questions SEC's statement in the pre-motion hearing against Coinbase. Now, remember, SEC sued Coinbase, and as you read through this, I'm not going to go through the full article, but this is an absolute desperation. It is almost a statement that my dad is bigger than yours, and I want to just read this first excerpt. So ultimately, these are the preliminary hearings, and where they talk about ultimately what it done. The SEC lawyer states that there is no way that an approval of an S1 is a blessing of a company's entire business. In fact, there is no evidence being put forth that the SEC looked at specific assets and made specific determinations and then gave Coinbase comfort that this would not later be found to be a security. Ultimately, what they're saying is that the SEC approved Coinbase to do a public offering, to become a publicly traded company, but that doesn't mean that the SEC have to validate anything that goes on within the structure of the business, within what they do. If you ask me, it's an absolute load of nonsense, and I absolutely think it's just the SEC with sheer desperation. So all in all, lining that up with XRP, lining that up with XLM and the wider cryptocurrency market, we could be in for a pretty interesting few months. We may see a massive sentiment moving in the right direction. XRP could break $10. Stellar Lumens to $1. It's all to play for, and certainly it feels right now like it's going in the right direction. Let me know though in the comments down below, what's your XLM and XRP price prediction? And as ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Smash a like if you want to see Gary Gensler's resignation. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye.